How to verify phone number on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Discord app. Then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to the gear icon on the top right. Go to account. Tap on phone. Put in the phone number and hit next. Now confirm that you're a human. Now you'll be able to see that you'll need to enter the 6-digit code that Discord sent on your messages app and just verify with the 6-digit code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.